Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a tally chart in Excel. First, let's get your data ready. Begin by organizing all your raw data into one single column. Next, create a separate, unique list of every item you want to count. Finally, set up a new column right next to your unique items, ready to hold the numerical counts for each one. Now that your data is prepared, let's count how many times each item appears. We'll use the COUNTIF function for this. In the cell next to your first unique item, type equals COUNTIF, then select your entire raw data column, followed by a comma, and then select the unique item itself. Press Enter, then drag this formula down to count all your items. This is where we create the actual tally marks. We'll combine the rept function with some clever math. For each item, use rept to repeat EEI for every 5 counts, and then add individual I's for the remainder. For example, if an item appears 7 times, you'll see EEI. This visually groups your tallies into sets of 5. To complete your tally chart, let's focus on presentation. Adjust the column width so all your tally marks are clearly visible without wrapping. Consider adding borders to your cells and perhaps some light shading to alternate rows for better readability. Your goal is to make the chart as clear and easy to understand as possible, presenting your data effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.